Hi, in this episode I'm going to talk about a Brembo braking system on a Panigale V2S 2025. We already mount the RCS19 Brembo braking pump. When I am on track I have good feedback and it's braking a lot harder. If you have the S, they already mount the M50 braking calipers. And we like to add the Z04 braking pads from Brembo as well. And today we are going to mount the Brembo T-Brake disc. So hands on. Now it's time for the real work. No, just kidding. We have to remove the old one before installing the new one. Almost there. Lefty loose here. I learned that from my mechanic. Yes, that's better. Always hold on, because you don't want to scratch anything. This is the old one. Now we are going to mount the T-Brake disc, the new one, not upside down, like this. Let's talk about the differences in braking discs. This is the brand new one. It's a floating braking disc, so you have less friction when you're on the straight, on the braking pads and on your front wheel. The original one is also a floating braking disc, but it's tighter than this one. Let me show you and hear the difference. It's less loose. So let's apply the new ones and full throttle. That's enough. We already tightened the bolts and now we are applying some paint, because you don't want to loosen the bolts when you are on track, and you can easily see if they are coming loose. Little mark, it's enough. And you do this on every bolt. You can do this everywhere, inside or outside. Better to be safe than sorry. Everything is mounted on the bike. The braking system is on pressure, so as you can see, it turns nice and smoothly. The braking pads on the brake discs are still brand new, but after a couple of sessions it will be even better. That was it for this episode. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something about it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!